हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द नीडल मैजिक। आज के इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम ये ब्यूटीफुल सा पाउच बनाएंगे. सो we'll be making this pouch. So you can see how pretty it is, a small mobile pouch, and if you want you can make it a little larger so that you can use it as a bag. So I hope you like it. So let's get started. So let's begin by making a slip knot. सबसे पहले हम एक slip knot बनाएंगे. And now I'll be chaining 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now I'm chaining 20 because I want the width to be this much. But if you want it to be a little wider, you have to chain more, and if you want it to be like less wider, then you can chain less. It's according to the measurement that you take. So just take the measurement of what you want to keep in it, and then according to that you can increase or decrease the number of chains. तो आपको जितनी भी chains करनी है वो आपके measurement के ऊपर depend करेगी. तो आप उस हिसाब से measurement लेके अपनी chains उस हिसाब से बनाइएगा. Then next what we'll do is at the end we'll chain one, which won't count as a stitch, and we'll go into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet stitch. So हम इसमें जाएंगे second chain from the hook में और एक single crochet stitch करेंगे. We'll go into the next stitch, we'll make one single crochet stitch. Again we'll go into the next stitch, we'll make a single crochet stitch. हर एक chain में हम एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे जब तक हम यहाँ तक लास्ट स्टिच तक नहीं पहुँचते. So we'll keep on doing one single crochet stitch in each of these following chains until we reach the last chain. So I've done one single crochet stitch in each of these following chains, and now in the last chain I'll be doing 3 single crochet stitches. तो जो last chain बचेगी हमारी उसमें हमने 3 single crochet stitch करनी है. 1, उसी में जाके 2 and in the same 3. Now we will be working in the back side of the foundation chain. So now go into each of these following stitches and make one single crochet stitch. We are working in the back loops of the foundation chains. Each of these stitches will be doing one single crochet stitch. So ये जो हमने फाउंडेशन चेन बनाई थी उसके फ्रंट पे हमने पहले वर्क किया था, उसके बाद हमें उसकी बैक साइड पे बैक लूप में हम वर्क कर रहे हैं. तो हमें हर एक स्टिच की लूप में फाउंडेशन चेन की जो लूप है बैक है उसमें एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाना है जब तक हम ये एंड तक नहीं पहुंचते. सो विल बी डूइंग दिस अंटिल वी रीच हियर. So I've completed doing one single crochet stitch in each of these back loops of the foundation chain, and now last loop is left. In the last loop we'll be doing two single crochet stitches. So ये जो last वाली loop हमारी बचेगी इसमें हम 2 single crochet stitches करेंगे, 1 and 2, and then when you turn you will be able to see one stitch here. Just go into that and make a slip stitch. तो इसमें हम जाएंगे और एक स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे. So now our row 1 is completed. Now we'll start with our row 2, and in this row 2 we have to just keep on repeating until we get our desired length. So first we'll chain 1, and then now only we are chaining 1 now, but when we reach again here we don't have to chain 1, we have to just keep on continuing. I'll show you how to do that. So after chain 1 we'll go into the first stitch here, we'll make a single crochet stitch, then we'll go into the next, we'll make a single crochet stitch, and we'll keep on doing this. In each and every stitch we have to just keep on doing one single crochet stitch. So we'll just keep on doing this. हमें हर एक stitch में एक single crochet stitch करते जाना है, और ध्यान रखिएगा कि आप दोनों लूप्स में जा रहे हो, दोनों लूप्स में. If you have to work under both the loops. So when I'll reach here I'll show you what to do. So I've almost reached the corner. Now as you can see, there are stitches over here that we did 3 single crochet stitches in the corner we have to do 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches as well. तो हम इन stitches में भी एक single crochet stitch करेंगे and we'll keep on continuing. हम turn करेंगे अपना work धीरे धीरे और एक single crochet stitch हर एक stitch में हम करते जाएंगे. We'll just keep on doing 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So this will start forming, it will curl a little bit and then it will form its shape. Now you'll not be able to see the shape, but after completing around 5 to 6 rows, 5 to 6 rounds, you'll be able to see that it's holding its shape. So we'll just keep on doing 1 single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. So once I reach here, by doing 1 single crochet stitches in each of these stitches, I'll show you what to do in this side. After reaching this corner, now again we have single crochet stitches here. We'll go into each of these stitches and make 1 single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. And this is the chain one that we did at the beginning. Just go into that and make another single crochet stitch. I think I changed a little tighter. That's why I'm having a problem here. Just go in, make a single crochet stitch. Then keep on continuing. We don't have to chain one. We'll just keep on continuing 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So हम इसी तरीके से हर एक स्टिच में बस एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच करते जाएंगे. कोई चेन वन नहीं करना, बीच में कहीं पर भी टर्न नहीं करना है. अपना वर्क जैसे हम सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिचेस जब यूजुअली करते हैं तो एक रो करने के बाद हम टर्न करके फिर उसकी बैक साइड पे वर्क करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं करना. हमने एक ही तरफ सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिचेस करते जाना है राउंड्स में. तो विल कीप ऑन डूइंग सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिचेस राउंड. So you have to just keep on doing single crochet stitches around and around and around until you reach your desired length. So I'll show you when you reach your desired length what to do next. So as you can see, I've just kept on doing 1 single crochet stitch in rounds. Just kept on doing that until I got my desired length. So you have to just keep on doing that until you get your desired length. This is around 10 centimeters wide, 10.5 centimeters wide, and around 18 centimeters long. You can just increase or decrease the length according to whatever you're making. Like if you're making a big pouch, then you can just adjust according to that. You can make a foundation chain little longer, and if you want it to be little big, you can just continue doing that single crochet stitches around and round until you get your desired length. So let's start now to the next step. So we'll go to the next step now. So once you've reached your desired length, so I'll be putting a stitch marker in the center here so that I can make some chains here for the buttonhole. So I'll just be adding that. Now you can just add it in the center, and now what we'll do is we'll keep on working 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches until we reach our stitch marker. So we'll go in the stitch, we'll make a single crochet stitch. इसी तरीके से हम single crochet stitch करते जाएंगे. आप जितना अभी आपको लेंथ चाहिए आप उस हिसाब से कर सकते हैं, उतना लंबा उसे बना सकते हैं. आपको बस single crochet stitches की राउंड्स करते जाना है. So I'll just keep on doing 1 single crochet stitch until I reach my stitch marker. Now 1 stitch before the stitch marker and 1 stitch after the stitch marker, I won't be working in that. Now from here I'll be chaining 15. You have to chain according to the according to the size of your button. My button is a little bigger, so I'll be chaining 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'll skip 3 stitches now. 1 before the stitch marker, 1 in the which the stitch marker is in, and 1 after that, and I'll be doing 1 single crochet stitch in the 4th stitch here. And I'll be working as I work my stitches, like 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches. I'll be just working that, continuing my round. So I'll just keep on repeating this until I reach, the corner. When you place it straight, you'll be able to understand that these are the 2 corners. If you're getting confused, you can just add 2 stitch markers at both the ends so that you know that you have reached the corner. So when I reach here, I'll have to stop because I don't want extra there. So what I'll do is I'll just reach, like 2 more stitches are left, so I'll be doing 1 single crochet stitch in each of these following 2 stitches. Now to the next stitch, I'll do a slip stitch and I'll fasten off. Just tighten it, and you can weave this in so that it's not seen. So I'll just remove the stitch marker, and with the help of a tapestry needle, I'll weave in this end. I'll be weaving in the back underside, like the wrong side, so that it's not seen. I'll just go in a couple of stitches. And just cut off the extra yarn. So now is the time we have to add a button. Now remember, the side you just left a loop. On the opposite side you have to put a button so that it closes like this. Okay, so this is the opposite side, so I'll be adding a button here. So this is the button I've just crocheted. I'll put the link in the description box if you want to make a button like this. Otherwise you can just add any button that you have. Whatever you want to put, you can put. But if you want to make a button like this, or you want to learn how to make this, I'll put the link in the description so you can go and check it out. So I've just left a long tail so that I can sew it with this. So I'll use a tapestry needle and I'll just add on button here. So just place the button and see whether it's fitting or not, and then you can just sew it. Just go in a couple of times so that it's secured enough and doesn't come out. So I've attached the button here. Remember to sew it nice and tight so that it doesn't come out, and I've made a couple of knots so that it's secured enough. So the pouch is ready. So you can see, you can just close it like this. Such a cute little pouch. Now I'll show you how to make the string. So now let us begin with the strap. So for the strap, what you have to do is you have to leave a bit of a tail before making a slip knot so that you can use it for sewing. तो थोड़ी सी आप यान छोड़ दीजिए slip knot बनाने से पहले, तो इसी से आप इसको strap को उससे मोबाइल पाउच से सिल सकते हैं. So now we'll make a slip knot. तो एक slip knot बनाएंगे and we'll chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा थिक चाहिए स्ट्रैप तो आप ज़्यादा चेन कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये उसकी विड्थ के हिसाब से है. नाउ गो इनटू द फोर्थ, गो इनटू द सेकंड चेन फ्रॉम द हुक एंड मेक अ सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच. सेकंड चेन में जाके एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट में जाएंगे एक और सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे. सो यू हैव टू कीप मेकिंग 1 सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच इन ईच ऑफ दीज चेन्स हियर. Then when you finish this round, this row, so sorry, okay, after finishing this row, chain 1, turn your work, go into the stitches and make 1 single crochet stitch in each of these 4 stitches. तो हम इसी तरीके से हर एक स्टिच में जाके एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे. Then again chain 1, turn your work, and then again go in and make 1 single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. And you have to keep on continuing this until you reach your desired length. Chain 1, turn your work, again 1 single crochet stitch in each of these following stitches. तो आपको ऐसे ही करते जाना है, चेन 1 करके हर एक टर्न करके अपना वर्क हर एक स्टिच में एक सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच करना है. तब तक करना है जब तक आपको जितनी लंबाई चाहिए आपके स्ट्रैप की, आपको उतनी लंबाई नहीं मिल जाती, तब तक आपने ये करना है. और फिर एक बार आपको आपका डिज़ायर्ड लेंथ मिल जाएगा तो आपने चेन 1 करके फास्टन ऑफ कर देना है. सो व्हेन यू रीच योर डिज़ायर्ड लेंथ, जस्ट चेन 1 एंड फास्टन ऑफ, एंड देन यू कैन sew this strap on your pouch, or if you're making it a bit larger, then I must say on your bag, and ready to go. So you have to keep on doing this, and once you reach your desired length, just chain 1 and fasten off, and then you can sew it on your pouch. You can even use an I-cord. I'll put a link in the description box. If you want to check out that, you can even check out that and make an I-cord and attach to your pouch. So this will be your single crochet strap, and if you want to put an I-cord, you can check that link in the description and make that. I hope you liked the tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, as you'll be notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.